This is the service elevator at the Wells Fargo Advisors building in Sarasota, Florida. We're gonna go up to 14R, which I don't know if it works. Indicator only goes up to 12 because 14 was added on later. Opens up on this side. Whoa, the roof door is open. I'm not gonna bother going out there, although I bet you'd get a cool view. Let's see if it goes anywhere when the door's shut, which might be a while. But also, actually, before I do that, look at the US call station. It says United States Elevator over there. It's an old capacity plate up there. I think it says 3,000 pounds. While we're up here, here's your cab view. Doors just might not be shutting. Wonder why. Probably have to hit a floor. If I hit 1R, what happens? Nothing. Gee, it's just stuck open. Here's your phone. While we're up here, might as well just take a quick look out at the roof. And yeah, the elevator left. So we're gonna wait till it comes back. Here's a very quick view from the roof. I don't wanna stay up here. There's stairs right here. There's a camera up there, so I especially don't wanna stay up here. I think it's here. Can you see anything up the shaft? Not really. We're gonna try this one more time. You can see it says 14 right there. I'll cut the when the door's shut. Alright, I've been up here like a minute and the doors aren't shutting, so let's just go back to 7 where we started. But in the meantime, here's a closer look at your buttons. This was installed probably around 1970. I thought they started working on this building in 68 and it opened up in 72. Again, take a look at that. Oh, there we go. So here's your real quick cab view. This elevator's seen better days, but it still works, still original. And stop is kind of harsh. Lexington call button. There it goes. And that'll be it. Actually, on second thought, we're gonna get one more ride. We're gonna go down this time. We're gonna go down the 1. That is, if the door shuts on me. And it does. Let's look at the inspection certificate. So, expiration August 2025. It's an AMS call button right there. We're not gonna go to 14R just because of the door. Let's go to 12R instead. See if that's any better. Notice how this elevator does not serve the second floor since that's parking garage. Yeah, right. That opens up right into someone's office. can't really see anything up the shaft, but I know one time I filmed this elevator, you could see up that way. Here we are at 7. Alright, there it goes. And that'll be it.